Hello children, today we are going to discuss about the back exercises of the chapter 13, that is Microsoft Excel, and the next one. Okay, so let's start. As you can see on the screen, these are multiple choice questions, and this is on page number 293 of your book. So if you have your book, it's okay, otherwise you can see from here. Let's start. The first one says, which software lets you perform calculations and manipulate the numeric data? Answer is MS Excel. Okay. Second one, name the element which is identified by a unique row number and the column number. Unique row number and a column number. Answer is a cell, because a row and a column, they intersect at a cell. Whenever they intersect, you get a cell, right? So what do we call a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle? Contiguous here means continuous, okay? Those which are joined to each other. So if you get a rectangle, if you get a shape of a rectangle, then that means that we are talking about a range, okay? A range of cells. Fourth one, which symbol separates the address of the starting cell address from the ending cell address in a range? How do you separate? We have the B part, that is the colon, right? A colon separates the starting and the ending cell. Which of the following component lies at the top of the document window in MS Excel? It's the title bar. He's talking about the top of the document window, children. So that's why what is there at the top? It is the title bar. Next is, what name do we give to the current cell which has a cell boundary around it? It's known as the active cell. All the others, they are cells, but there is one cell which is having a boundary, a bold kind of a boundary. Okay, that is known as an active cell. And whatever you type, it will be there displayed on the in the active cell. Seventh one, which is the last valued column header in MS Excel, it is XFD, the A part. Eighth one, what is the default name of a workbook in MS Excel? The default name is Book 1. And if I ask you about the name of the worksheet, then the sheets are Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3, okay? But here the answer is Book 1. Ninth one, which shortcut key combination is used to save a workbook in MS Excel? It is Control S. Control S is the shortcut to save a workbook. 10th one, which pair of brackets are used to denote a negative value in MS Excel? These are the parentheses. Okay. 11th one. 11th one is, what is the default alignment for the numbers in MS Excel? Default alignment for numbers is right. All the numbers, they are right aligned, but all the text, they are left aligned. Do remember, okay? 12th one, name the expression which includes numbers, cell addresses, operators, and parentheses. Here, it is the formula, the C part. 13th one, which symbol marks the beginning of a formula? How do we start a formula? It's always with an equal to sign. Okay, so A part is the answer. Which data entry? I'm on the 14th one, children. Which data entry is neither a formula, neither a number nor a formula? It is text, the C part. Okay. 15th one. By default, how many worksheets does an Excel workbook display? By default, there are 3 worksheets, children. Okay, and their names are Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Okay, see the 16th one. What separates time elements in Excel? How to separate the time elements? Make use of colons. So 16th question, answer is A part. Hello children, today we are going to discuss about the back exercise of this chapter charts. I'm on page number 316. So if you have a book, you can open it up, get ready with your pencil and start marking, okay? I'm starting from the first one. What is the default format for expressing numbers in Excel? It is the general. It is the first option here, general. See the second one. Which tab is used to set the horizontal and vertical alignment for data in cells? It's alignment, the C part here. See the third one. Which feature in Excel is used to rotate text through a specified angle? It's the A part, text orientation. See the fourth one. Which term is used to define a graphical representation of data in a worksheet? It's the chart, D part. Mark it. It's the chart option, the D part, okay? Fifth one, what type of chart is used to emphasize the magnitude of change over time? It's the area. It's the B part, okay? Just mark it. Sixth one, dash chart is designed specifically for plotting data values related to stocks and shares. It's the stock chart, the D part. See the next one, seventh one. In which group of the Home tab is the format option available? It's the B part, cells. Okay, cells. See the eighth one. Name the type of chart which displays data in the form of a circle. In circle, you know you have done in your maths also. It's the pie chart. Ninth one. What is the name for the horizontal axis of a chart? Horizontal axis is the category axis. There are two axes, children, horizontal and vertical. The horizontal is known as x-axis generally. Your x-axis is the category axis. The other one is the y-axis. Y-axis here it's known as value axis. Okay. So category axis, your x-axis, and value axis, your y-axis. Okay. See the 10th one. Which component in Excel helps in depicting colors, patterns, or symbols assigned to data series? It's the legend, B part. See the 11th one. Which type of chart is used for representing huge amounts of data? It's the line chart. 12th one. What is the other name for XY chart? It's the scatter chart, the D part. See the 13th one. When a chart is placed inside a worksheet along with its source data, it is called embedded chart. Embedded chart, it's the B part. See the 14th one. Name the item that forms the heading of a chart. Heading is the chart title, it's the D part. 15th one. The first pie chart was seen in William Playfair's book of Statistical Breviary in its 1801, the D part. 16th one. Name the type of chart which does not have grid lines. Definitely pie chart doesn't have the grid lines. See the 17th one. Dash is called the total area of the chart. It's the chart area, C part. 18th one. In MS Excel, chart group is available on the dash tab. It's insert, the C part. 19th one. The axis that represents the value or the units of the source data is called, I told you, values or units of the source data is known as value axis, your y-axis, okay? 20th one, which type of chart looks similar to a spider net? It's the radar, the D part. Children, you practice these MCQs. In your exam, you'll be getting an MCQ paper, okay? And you have to prepare from, there is a section at the end of each chapter known as recap, okay? You can go through recap and your MCQs, even we can ask you questions from true, false also, okay? So be prepared.